Hi everyone. I'm working on mobile application called Employee Time Tracking application. So, in this application, like so this application is used to streamline and automate the process of tracking the employee attendance and also and also their working hours. So this provides an user-friendly, majorly this provides an user-friendly interface for employees where they can log in their arrival and departure times in their office, and which helps us to eliminate the need for manual attendance tracking methods like timesheets and also like the paper-based systems, and uh, and also so the main key features of this application are like I have built like an login page and a sign up page for this one. So once the user has been signed up successfully, he will be navigated to login page, and after the successful login, he will be navigated to a dashboard page where you can see the functionality of clock in and clock out, and where you can see a dashboard page with map, and below the map like you can able to see in button for clock in and clock out. So so for here the major functionality which I have built is you cannot be able to log into his check into the app or check into his working hours unless he's near to his office. So here I'm looking for like an office location based time tracking. So where whenever he is in the office, whenever he will be able to check in and check out his office hours. Apart from this functionality, like I have also built an user profile page where he can able to see his basic user details like the email, name, address, and his employee code. And also for reporting, like I'm having an page called entry details page where he can able to see all his check-in and check-out details. So these are the main application app features. And coming to the third-party components which I have used to build this application is I'm I'm going to use the so as I'm having the different components in the React application of this React application, so I'm going to use the React Native async storage where I can able to pass in data between different components asynchronously uh, by using use state and use effects, and also by using async storage. I mean, in order to subscribe the data between different components, and also and also I have built an React navigation. I'm using the React navigation package as well, where I can able to route between different components. So as I'm having different pages in this application, like login, sign up, and user details screen, and also the dashboard screen, and also something like an sign out screen. So these are in order to navigate between these components, like I need to use the React navigation component. And the main thing I have used is like expo location library, where I can by using this library, I can able to enable the location in the application, where we can able to where I can able to time track of the employee. And apart from this, like I'm also using the Firebase in order to store the user details and also having user authentication as well for having in order to accomplish the functionalities of login and sign up. I'm going to use this Firebase authentication, and also in order to get the retrieve the data of the check in and check out which user has been user has been logged in. Those details also I'm fetching from the Firebase and showing them up in the entry details page. So, and apart from this, I'm also using some React Native libraries. Like uh, let's say I'm using the React Native maps. So this React Native map is something so I'm in the dashboard where I'm going to show the map of the office location map. So for this, I'm going to use this React Native Maps and also something like Navigation Drawer, right? So where I can able to have in a side menu. In the side menu, like I'm going to have all the screens, like a user profile, dashboard, and privacy and policy, and also sign out functionality as well. So these all things has been shown up in that side menu page. And coming to the folder structure, like I'm going to maintain a components folder. So where I have built in reusable components like something like check-in button, checkout button, and the loader whenever an API has been called, and then a login form and a map page where I'm going to display this map in the dashboard page. So and also I'm going to have in screens folder where I'm going to have the functionality business logic in the screen folder like check-in, checkout, and forget password functionality as well, where in this forget password functionality where I can able to provide the email of the user and once the email has been provided, once I click on the user detail, forget password link, like I will be sending an email link to the user email, and after click on link, user able to reset his password and he will be able to successfully log in after that. And these are the other screens like home screen, login screen, logout, and my details page is something like an user details page and privacy policy screen where I can able to add all the privacy user privacy details in this policy details in this page. We can change this based upon our requirement and the terms and condition page. And this is a services page, services folder. Like I am going to maintain the Firebase authentication configurations in this one. So so these are all about the my follow structure and also the third-party components which have been used. And with regards to the user privacy concerns, like the major concern which in this application is the user location tracking and also the data storage. So we need to concern users may be concerned about their location being tracked and also the data storage it should be an extremely like uh, secured and securely stored and should be handled because there might be a case the application used by a number of employees. I mean, huge number of employees, like 500 to 1,000 people, and we need to store all the details of the users, and there should not be any mismatch between the user details, data storage. So in order to mitigate these user privacy concerns, we are going to have a privacy and policy screen where we are going to mention the detail where we can able to mention the about the location tracking, and we also whenever user has been installed his application mobile app for the first time, like we will ask for a pop it will ask for a pop-up where we can able to allow the user where it allows the user for the tracking location tracking and also Firebase authentication as we are using the Firebase database, like there will be a secure database storage. But moving forward, if the data is going to increase, we need to switch our application, migrate our application to the some relational database like MySQL, or we can go to some non-SQL database like MongoDB as well. So so these are all about the user privacy concerns and coming to the app demo. So I'm going to share my mobile app screen so that I can demo my application. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to join. So this is I'm sharing my mobile screen. So this is the login screen. So where we can able to provide his email and his password. So if you go to the sign up screen, this is the sign up screen like where you can provide the name, email, password, and this gender, and then mobile number, and then address and employee code. Once he is able to successfully sign up, like you can, he will be, I will show you the sign up process. I'm going to do the transfer. So once he successfully sign up, like we will route the user to the dashboard page. So this is the dashboard page. This is a basic dashboard page. So where we can see the current time in India. So I have pointed the map to the my current address as an office address, office location. So this is a dashboard where you can able to see the map and you can able to check in. And then once you are able to check in, like the check-in button will be disabled and checkout button will be enabled. And after that, like this is a page like where you can see the profile. And in future, like we can able to add the edit functionality of the profile. And these are like entry details page and privacy policy page and terms and condition and then logout functionality. So so this is once he's able to check in, we can able to see a last check-in timestamp here, and then checkout when his checkout has been done successfully, and we can able to see the last checkout time. So in a day, like he can able to have an I also add a functionality like where you can able to check in and check out multiple times in a day. So this is something where you can able to check out two times, check in and check out two times. So this in the details page, like we can able to see the check in and check out of the particular day, something like in June 18th, and his check-in time is at 3:21, and then check-out time is at 3:21, 27 seconds. So you can able to see these cards, check-in, check-out cards based upon the dates. And so I will change the location now. Um, so I changed the location. So so if I'm trying to check in, so user will not be able to check in because I'm in different location and the office location is at more than 30 meters radius. So I will have a pop-up like he will not be able to check in. So this is a kind of mm, so once he's able to so in future, like the idea is to like we want to integrate this application with the HR payroll, HR payroll application where we can send this all these attendance details to the payroll team, and also we can add in date picker button as well, where he can select the particular date and he can see all his check-in details. So and also have an edit profile details, and also like he can able to he can able to add a new screen in this application where he can able to send a request to the HR for his leave, or where he can upon the approval like the upon approval like if the leave is like a paid leave, like the hours going to be added in this entry details. So these functionalities like in future like we can I'm thinking to add, so that we can have an end-to-end functionalities for this check-in check-out application, uh, and to have an admin login as well, so where we can admin can able to download the Excel sheet of all the different individual employees, so that he can able to where he can able to process the payment or the payroll of the particular each employee based upon the entry details or entry details. So these are all something like an future implementation. So this is something like a basic implementation. I mean, this is about something like an implementation about only the check-in and check-out for now. So when user has been click on like logout, he will be logged out, and we will show the login page again. And this is something like a forget password screen. So in the forget password screen, like we will provide an email, and then if you click on the reset password, uh, so email link will be sent to the this particular email, and upon clicking that email link, like user will be able to. So if I see. So email link will be sent, and if I click on this link, user will be popped up within entering the new password. So I will enter new password and then save. And if I try to log in back, I think I get it on. I can I'm giving the new password. We will be able to successfully log in. So this is forget password functionality as well. So that's all about this app demo. Uh, if any questions, we can add. I mean, if any questions like, please post the questions in the discussion tab, or any announcements like required. Like, feel free to mention those in the discussion tab as well. Um, uh, thank you, team. This is all about my application, which is on like check-in and check-out, employee check-in and check-out functionality. Thank you.